Hi, I'm Jamin with Install Pros. Today I'm going to show you how to smoke this tail light using this Luxe transparent film. The first thing you want to do is clean the tail light. Use isopropyl alcohol and water. I like to mix the bottle for cleaning about half and half, so 50-50. It can vary a little bit too. And take a terry cloth rag and just go around and wipe the tail light really good, especially on the edges. Make sure it's really clean. If there's any bugs or any dirt or anything, just make sure you get it off. I'd probably go ahead and just even give it a second clean. Look really good with your eyes as well. You can feel with your hand. Just make sure you got everything off. Edges are really important so it doesn't fail. Just make sure those are really clean. Use a soft microfiber. Make sure your hands are clean. I'm going to go over the tools that I use for the job. You need a knife, an Olfa knife to trim when you're done. You want a black carbon blade, a felt squeegee, or a hard card with a suede edge. I like these fingerless gloves or a regular full glove just to kind of work it on there with and get kind of around the corners and things. This is 3M Primer 94. I'll put a little bit on the edge. Don't come way out onto the taillight and goop it on. It can damage the taillight, but you just want a real thin little line around the edge to help seal that edge and give it some tack. And then we've got a UV light here to warm up the material to help stretch it and post-heat it to help it cure. You can use a heat gun if you're not going to use a UV light. Kind of serve the same purpose. I like the UV light a little bit better for this. So we'll go ahead and get started. We've cleaned the tail light now. Go ahead and turn on the light and we'll peel the backing. You can do this yourself. I've got Caden here with me to help me today. We're going to pull the backing just so that this video goes a little bit faster. On there, I'm going to leave that on for just a second so it doesn't curl and stick to itself till I get it heated up a little bit. Just kind of warm that up. Can warm up the other side as well. And you want to get it really warm so that it stretches really well. Okay, you got that, Caden, for a second. Hold up. Okay, hang on to that. Kill that. And then the film will cool off pretty quick, so you want to, as soon as you heat it, you want to pull really hard this way and this way. So give it a real hard, a little harder. And right to the corners. Okay, and then you can take your suede card and kind of lay it down through the middle there, right on the ridge. Kind of get some of this flatter stuff down. The thing I like about this Luxe film is it's got an air release adhesive in it, so if you get bubbles, they just push through the adhesive and push out. So I like that. It's a little more expensive than other ones, but seems to work better. We've been doing it for a lot of years here at our retail shops, and it's the film that we like. So we're going to go ahead now and just kind of stretch it and finish laying it down here in these corners. So you can just kind of grab the film there, and then when you get a couple spots like that right there, can you see that there? And just kind of warm that up a little bit on these corners here and make that so that it works really well with you again. And then you just pop it back up, stretch it again, and just lay it down like that. You can pop back on one of these and just lift that right there again. And just lay that down there. And then swirl. I like to swirl at it like that. With your finger there. And then just pop and stretch again here. And just kind of come out the film like that. If you get a little thing there like that, you notice I just kind of massaged it out, and then just keep going around and popping the film and stretching it. Like, for example, you see there's a couple little wrinkles right here. And so what I'm gonna do is just heat that one more time. I heat up Caden's side over there. Heat up this side over here. And then you just pop it back up again. Hang on to that. And then just go like that. Stretch it. The harder you pull, the easier it is, and it'll work those wrinkles out. So you can see now on that corner right here that we've stretched that now and heated that up and worked out those wrinkles, and the wrinkles right there in that corner. Looks like we've got that side down on the front. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and trim it. So what you want to do here is just take your blade and just start on the corner there and just cut that out, and then go ahead and just angle your blade kind of towards the light a little bit, and right on that edge like that. You can see you've got a nice cut right there. All right. I'll go ahead and trim this side here. Okay. Go ahead and trim this side over here. And on this tail light, we went ahead and primered this before the video, so it's already got primer on it. We just used 3M Primer 94 and dip that in there, and you just run a little bit around the edge. And we had primered that beforehand so that it had time to tack up and you didn't have to sit on the video for 2 or 3 minutes while that got tacky. So we primered that before, but 3M tape primer, a little swab or a Q-tip, and you just put a little bit around the edge there. So now that tail light is all wrapped, and you can see how we trim. For the sake of time on the video, I'm not going to go trim all this backside right now, but you would just finish trimming that around. Thanks for watching this video today on how to smoke this tail light. If you liked our video, feel free to drop us a like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll include the links to all the products we used here today down below. Thank you very much.